Hey guys, this is Yashraj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are just going to solve this particular question of JEE Mains 2022. So, a person moved from A to B on a circular path as shown in a figure. If the distance traveled by him is 60 meter, then the magnitude of displacement would be. So, in this question, a person is moving on a circular path from A to B and the distance traveled. So, distance traveled means the actual path traveled by the person. So, the arc length AB is the actual path, that would be the distance. So, arc length is r into theta, and theta would be in radian, that would be equal to 60 meter. But in the question, we have to find displacement. So the displacement is the shortest distance between the 2 points. That would be the straight line from A to B. In this figure, I have made it roughly. So the distance AB is the displacement that we have to find. So in this question, degrees, that is 135 degree, 22.5, these are a very unfamiliar, it is very unfamiliar degrees. We usually don't remember the values of these types of degree. So these types of questions are basically which most of the student leave in the examination because of these trigonometric problems. But yeah, the concept which we have to use in this question is the sine rule, and that is a very important concept. So I would say that you must know this concept of sine rule, and after that it totally depends on you that you have to face these type of challenges of trigonometry, or you have to leave these types of question. It totally depends on you. But yeah, it's my duty that I must tell you the sine rule concept, and that would help you in many other questions in which the calculation part may be less challenging. So let's begin this video by understanding the sine rule concept. So according to this concept, I have made this rough figure of ABC. A is the vertex, opposite to A is a small a, which is the distance, magnitude of this distance. B is this vertex, opposite to this would be the this AC, that is the small b. C is this vertex, opposite to this is the small c, this is the value of this side. Okay, and capital A, capital B, capital C are the respective angles. So according to sine rule, small a upon sine A is equal to small b upon sine B, which is equal to small c upon sine C. This is a very easy rule, and I hope you understood this sine rule. It's actually very easy. So let us apply on this particular question. So we have to find AB. So AB upon sine 135 is equal to OB, that is radius, upon sine 22.5. I have written these all thing here. So AB upon sine 135 is equal to OB, that is radius, upon sine 22.5. So the value of sine 22.5 we actually don't know, but by using trigonometric tools we can find it. It comes nearly root 2 minus root 2 upon 2. It's something like that, but it's something like this. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's something like this only. So you may find it, but in this question my objective was to make you familiar with the sine rule. So by using sine rule, we can write AB upon sine 135, that is equal to a radius upon sine 22.5, and radius can be written as arc length upon angle. So arc length upon angle is the radius. Okay, so AB is equal to sine 135 upon sine 22.5 into radius, that is arc length AB upon angle, an angle must be written in radians, because in this formula we use the angle in radians, that is 3 pi by 4. 135 degree can be written as 3 pi by 4. Sine 135 can be written as sine 180 minus 45, that would be in second quadrant, so it can be written as positive sine 45, as sine is positive in second quadrant. So sine 45 upon sine 22.5 into 60 meter upon into 4 upon 3 pi. You can use your talent of calculation and find this type of you can solve this type of equations, and the answer would be 47 meter. So hope so that these type of calculation may not come in your examination, but if it comes, it's my suggestion that you must leave this type of question at least in your first round of attempt, because these type of calculations are not really for doing in the first round. So yeah, basically you in this video my objective was only to make you familiar with this sine rule, and I hope you understood this concept. Thank you and have a very nice day.